world. This video will show you how to set up multiple locations in the 5-star Business Profile and Schema plugin. To start, click on Business Profile and then Settings. By default, the plugin is set up for you to have one main location that you can display using the contact card. You'll see this location info here in the basic area of the settings page. This is what you set up during the initial walkthrough. If you'd like to review these options, we have a separate video that covers this in detail. What we want to do now for this video is set up additional locations. With that in mind, scroll down, enable multiple locations, and then save the options. You'll see there's now a new menu item called Locations. Click on this and then Add New. You can start by entering a title and description for your new location. Next, you'll want to set the opening hours for this specific location. This is exactly the same as when you created the schedule for your main location. Click on Add Another Opening Time, and then fill in the days and times that you want. You can add as many different schedules as you'd like, which is helpful if you have different opening hours on different days. In the sidebar on the right, you can choose a unique image for this location and also set the schema type. This can be the same or different from your main location. The additional locations work using a custom post type, so they can each have completely separate and unique information. After this, you can enter the contact info. This includes the address, phone number, and email address. There are also options to include this location on your Google Map and to choose a page to show a contact card on, with this location's details and the corresponding structured data. When you're done, you can click on Publish. If you'd like to display a specific location on your site, you can use the same contact card shortcode as you would for the main location. You just need to add in the location parameter and put in the ID. You can find the ID of your location by going to the Edit screen and looking in the browser's address bar. This will display the new location on your site in the exact same way as your main location, including the schedule and the Google Map display. You'll also find the full structured data markup in the page source code. To learn more about how to use the 5-star Business Profile and Schema plugin, please feel free to check out our other videos.